Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, first we are using the color of yellow. And now first we draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the alphabet of B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog and D for doll. The next one is E. E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is G. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw the alphabet of I. I for ice cream. And the next one is J. Subscribe to our channel. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of black and draw L. Now we are using the color of black and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N for nose, N for nest. We are again use the color of black and now we draw O. The alphabet of O. The next one is P. P for penguin. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of black and draw capital letter alphabets. The next one is Q. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. Now we draw T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is V. Now we draw the alphabet of W. The next one is X. X for X-ray. And now we draw Y, and the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.